abnormality, thin bone, they may get. So if this labial bone gets fractured, then we have to go for totally a palatal approach. Of course, we are not going to place implant in the premolar area, but if this bone fractures along with the sixth bone, then we have to go for a palatal approach. So palatal approach is always there for us. Okay. Imagine if this bone is resolved till here, no problem. We'll still do the palatal approach. Even if the bone resolves till here, no problem. We can do the palatal approach. Minimum 8 mm length we need. So, the moment you do palatal approach, all difficult cases becomes very easy cases. The SCSE classification becomes nullified. The C becomes simple. But the only thing you have, as you told, the bar cast, all the technologies, the cost increases. The multi-unit implant cost increases.
You have your own lab, sir?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
We have our another clinic here that is exclusive for lab. Yeah. So here only surgeries. Lab procedures we cannot, we won't do it here. So tomorrow evening we will go there. If you take CBCT and if you do proper planning like this and do surgery, that is equivalent to getting experience from doing 10 surgeries without CBCT. So initial cases, if you employ CBCT and do it, then at one point of time you will know this only will come. Okay, slowly your dependency on CBCT will get reduced. Only for the initial basic learning we need. See, initially we read ABCD now. After that we won't read ABCD. Right? The same goes. But if you don't read ABCD, then lifetime we cannot read anything. The same way, the base is bone. The basic is bone. Whatever you do, guided, software, advanced training, bone anatomy should be.
Guided is more complicated. So it looks easy, but it's more complicated because if you are taking bone support, when you raise the flap, after extraction, immediate cases, the guide or 90% of the time it does not fit properly. So, what people are doing guided now, so they always say that tissue supported is good, but bone supported is not good. क्योंकि टिश्यू को हम रिफ्लेक्ट नहीं करते तो फिर डायरेक्टली फिट हो जाता है, लेकिन अगर एक बार रिफ्लेक्ट हो गया तो फिर
That's why you should learn the software course.
Software.
On the course then only you come to know where it gone wrong. That's what he says.
Yes.
No, he said what he said was the people who are doing that work, they won't be proper. And the planning is
those
not
who are
proper.
making the guides, planning.
And the resin they use, that's also matter. Printer they use.
Everything matters.
That's what makes a difference. That's why he said better to learn the software so that you yourself will know where it gone.
See, all these problems.
Even CBCT is what the report radiologists give, even they sometimes
never see the values given by the center.
அது யாருக்கும் படிக்கவும் தெரியல இல்ல அந்த PDF
some doctors they seriously look into 5 See, all this problem can be solved by in 10 rupees. 5 rupees blade, 5 rupees blade. 10 rupees. Open it. 90% of the problems are visible.
एक joke है ना सर, radiologist एक ऊपर तो बोलता bird है तो बोलता ये होगा, फिर second बोलता नहीं वो नहीं है वो peacock है सुन, सर्जन बोलता गोली मार दो अभी जजेस को क्या है देख लो, तो ऐसा ओपन किया तो सर्जन रेडियोलॉजिस्ट बोलता ये होता, पैथोलॉजी बोलता ये हो सकता, सर्जन बोलता गोली मार के अभी देखो तो ओपन एंड सी है वही अप्रोच है.
I saw one abroad course their logo is like this, 2 blades.
Yes.
2 blades. They're opening everything fully, no gates, nothing.
Yes.
Just opening fully, like how we do alveoplasty. It makes it brings down the error.
Crystal. Yesterday I attended CDC of Crystal. 2 to 3 hours my service में. तो सर told me मैं guided के लिए बोला सर बोला कितना पैसा देगा गाइड को, मतलब सर 25 और इम्प्लांट्स को कितना